Hello students, my name is Ravi Ahalwat and today we are going to talk about types or first mechanical waves. So in previous session we have discussed about mechanical waves. These are the waves which require material medium for propagation, and sound is an example of mechanical waves. Mechanical waves can be further divided in few parts. So the first part will be longitudinal wave. Number two can be transverse waves. Number three can be ripples. So what are longitudinal waves? Like the name suggests, longitudinal waves are the waves which travels longitudinally or lengthwise or in a straight line. So these travels, suppose in this room before I spoke, the particles of air must be equal distance, something like this. When I started speaking, like you come over here, so when I speak that, my pressure from the air will compress these particles, and all these particles, like if I say a word come here, so this is one, and over here there are less particle left out. If I say another word, then it will be one more, something like this is one word, this is one word. So these waves will travel longitudinally by making this kind of structure, and this is known as compression, where the particles are very near, where the pressure is high, and this region is known as rarefaction. Okay. So longitudinal waves are the waves which travels longitudinally or lengthwise or in a straight line by making compressions and rarefactions. Transverse waves somewhat looks like this, in which the wave is traveling in this direction, but the particle will never travel in the same direction. They travel by making 90-degree angle with this position. This is usually known as mean position. Mean position. So suppose the particle is over here. What angle is it making with the mean position? It's 90-degree. What angle is it making with the mean position? Again 90-degree. So in this, the particle will always travel by making 90-degree angle with the mean position, either in the form of crest or in the form of trough. So the part above the mean position is known as crest, and the part below the mean position is known as trough. So transverse waves are the waves in which the particles travel by making 90-degree angle with the mean position, either in the form of crest or in the form of trough. So these are transverse waves. Ripple are basically a combination of longitudinal as well as transverse. The kind of waves that you see on a beach or in a pond if you throw a stone, then these are water ripples. These are neither transverse nor longitudinal. These are basically the combination of both. Hence, we call them ripples. This is how they look. If suppose this is the wave, then this is how it will look. But whenever there is a crest, there will be a compression, and whenever there is a trough, there will be a rarefaction. So these are ripples. So this was all about the types of mechanical waves. Number one, longitudinal. Number two, transverse. Number three, ripples. The longitudinal waves are the waves which travel longitudinally or lengthwise or in a straight line by making compressions and rarefactions. Compression are the region of high pressure, rarefaction is the region of low pressure. Number two, transverse wave, they never travel in the same direction. Like the particle and the wave will never travel in the same direction. They will make 90-degree angle with the mean position in the form of crest or in the form of trough. Number three is ripple, which is basically a combination of longitudinal as well as transverse wave. Thank you. So this was all about the mechanical wave. If you like the video, please share it with all the friends to whom it can benefit. And for the demo session, please contact the number given below. Thank you.